video I want to talk to you some about using density in calculation, specifically how you convert density from one unit to another. And the reason why I'm doing this is because density has a little bit more complicated units than you would usually see. Usually you see something has just a couple of units or one unit. This not only has two units, but we have this cube thing here as well, which does make things more complicated. So, for example, if we were to take 1.25 kilograms per meter cubed, this is one way of representing density, and try to convert it to a density that you are more common with seeing, grams per centimeter cubed or grams per mil, these two are the same thing, we have to be able to convert kilograms to grams and centimeters cubed or meters cubed to centimeters cubed. And this is the bit that's more of a challenge, alright? You guys have seen before that 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. There's not much of an issue there. So you can convert from kilograms to grams here simply by saying if we have 1,000 grams, then there's 1 kilogram. That puts your grams on the top, takes care of it. But our meters to centimeters cubed is more of an issue, and that requires knowledge of the fact that 1 meter contains 100 centimeters. Alright? Now that doesn't mean that 1 meter cubed contains 100 centimeters cubed, because we have to remember when we go from 1 meter to 1 meter cubed, we're multiplying 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. So 1 times 1 times 1 gives us 1 meter cubed. Of course, when we take centimeters and multiply it by itself 3 times, we get centimeters cubed too, but we've got to do the same with the number. So what that really means is 100 times 100 times 100. What that gives us is it takes us from 2 zeros to 6 zeros. And a number with 6 zeros in it is 1 million. 1 million centimeters cubed. Now that's important because if you'd simply said, if you've mistakenly simply said, oh, bollocks. Not if you said bollocks, sorry, I just made a mistake. Hang on, let me start over. If you'd said 1 meter cubed was equal to 100 centimeters cubed, you can see, because this conversion factor is very different to this one, your answer up here would have been way off. Anyway, now we've got that sorted out, we know if our meters cubed is down here, we want to put it up here to cancel it out, and our centimeters cubed wants to be on the bottom in the answer, so therefore we know meters cubed has to go here, so therefore centimeters cubed has to go down here. So 1 meter cubed is 1 million centimeters cubed, and just to save time and write in zeros, I'm just going to write 1 times 10 to the 6. That's the same thing as saying a million. And then all we have to do is just do our calculation. So 1.25 times 1,000 is of course 1250. But then we've got to divide that by a million. And so what we get is 1.25 times 10 to the negative 3 grams per centimeters cubed, or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, bollocks. Sorry, I said bollocks again. I went too far. I'm having an issue saying bollocks a lot today. Don't know why. Let's go back to red. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Well, 0.00125 grams per centimeter cubed. So it's really important that you recognize that when you go from, when you have this and you go to here, you not only triple the units, you multiply the units by themselves 3 times, but then do the same thing with the numbers as well. Alright, that's how that works.